In today's video, I want to show you how you can reconcile the transactions inside a YNAB. As you can see here, I have opened YNAB on my desktop in order to reconcile your transactions in your accounts. Let's go ahead and go over to this checking account. It's really simple to do. As you can see here, I haven't reconciled in a little bit. So if I want, I can check this against my bank statement to make sure everything's right and then mark the checks here. Once I have verified that everything matches my checking account statements, then all I have to do is go up here to reconcile and it'll ask me, is your current balance this amount? Verify that, and that is your ending balance on your statement. And if it is correct, all you have to do now is go to yes, and that will reconcile your transactions for you. It is just as simple as that. So again, let's go here to this other checking account, verify that your balance is accurate to your statement, hit reconcile and hit yes. Now, if it's not, you can hit no and put in the correct balance. If you don't want to figure it out yourself, it will put an adjustment balance in there to adjust it to the current bank balance. Sometimes you may not be able to find it if you haven't reconciled your transactions in months. You might not be able to find the 2 or 3 cents or $1 that's off. So you can just plug in your balance here and it will put an adjustment in there in order to make your account balance and reconcile okay. So if you want to do it that way, you can just go back here and then find it in your long list of items and check them off next to your statement in order to find the discrepancy. But in this case, it's not that way. So I just say reconcile and hit yes to reconcile the transactions. If you want to see the transactions that have been reconciled, you just click the view here and hit show reconciled transactions and apply, and it'll show those reconciled transactions. But typically, you want to leave that unchecked because you just want to deal with the current transactions, and the reconciled transactions don't need to be worried about. Now that they have been reconciled, I hope this video was helpful, because that's about it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.